In making his case to declare a national emergency to improve security at the Mexican border, President Trump told reporters similar actions have been done before dozens of times since the 1970s.
They signed it for far less important things in some cases, in many cases. We're talking about an invasion of our country.
But some wonder if a Supreme Court ruling from the 1950s will have an impact on this latest declaration. Its official name was Youngstown Sheet and Tube Company versus Sawyer. Justices ruled then-President Harry Truman could not nationalize steel mills like Sheet and Tube during labor strikes to ensure the military had enough steel for its weapons. Grove City College professor Caleb Verbois tells me at that time, existing law allowed presidents to negotiate with the unions.
And since he chose not to use that and to act on his own, the court threw it out.
Verbois says then Justice Robert Jackson wrote one of the opinions in the Sheet and Tube case that has become something of a guidepost to follow.
He gave a test, essentially, a rule that either future courts could use or that future presidents or members of Congress could use when they were suing each other.
Verbois teaches about the Sheet and Tube case each semester. He tells me President Barack Obama used a portion of Jackson's opinion when he signed an executive order covering children of illegal immigrants, claiming he took action because Congress did not. President Trump is using a similar argument for funding a border wall.
The precedent that's being set, both by Obama and by Trump, is that if they can't get Congress to agree to their preferred policy, they can just act as though Congress doesn't exist.
Some believe that separation of powers issue could be what courts used to decide this issue. Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.